Hi friends, this is another one mini project. It's inbuilt pneumatic jack in the automobiles. Okay, inbuilt pneumatic jack in automobiles. Okay, here there's two pneumatic cylinders fixed at the both the end of vehicle. Okay, then one solenoid valve here and one air tank and two pneumatic cylinders. Okay, when we have to pump the or compressed air inside the tank, then the air is allowed to the pneumatic cylinder through the solenoid valve. After that the air is distributed frequently to the both the end of pneumatic cylinders. Then that the both the end of vehicle is lifted by means of pneumatic cylinder, because the piston move downwards, the vehicle automatically lifted up both the end. At the same time air is pressured. Okay, so at the same time that the vehicle is lifted up, then we have to usually maintain small maintenance punctures, and any vehicle problems are rectified by means of this project. Okay, here we have to no need to carry the jack with the vehicle and manually. No, it's a fully automatic. When we activate the lever, that both the cylinder is activated and the car is automatically lift. Okay, here the small model we have to use the pump to produce the pressured air, and then the air is collected at the tank, then it is allowed to the solenoid. After that it is evenly distributed to the both the pneumatic valve. Okay, it's a simple project and it's an effective project. Thank you.